Here's how I made this striped ribbed baby hat. After choosing my yarn and my hook, I began with a starting chain and then did single crochets into the back loop only of each row, alternating each 2 rows to create the stripes of the 2 different colors. Once my rectangle was big enough, now it was time to fold it in half and sew it together. Then I sewed the top part closed. It did create a little bit of a hole, but I continued going in and out until it was completely closed. After that, I created a pompom using these little discs that makes it very easy to make. Then connected it to the hat. Folded up the brim and it was done. Look how sweet that came out. If you would like a full in-depth tutorial for this, let me know in the comments. All the best!